Mastering your first job interview, essential tips for freshers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been requesting: how to ace your first job interview as a fresher. Whether you're a recent graduate or transitioning into a new field, this video will equip you with essential tips to help you land that dream job. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of interview preparation, let's start with a crucial foundation: researching the company. Number 1. Researching the company. To leave a lasting impression, you need to demonstrate your interest and understanding of the company you're applying to. Here's what you should do. 1. Explore the company's website. Familiarize yourself with their mission, values, products, services, and recent news or updates. 2. Check their social media profiles. LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can give you insights into the company culture, recent achievements, and employee experiences. 3. Look for any press releases or articles featuring the company. Stay up to date with their latest achievements and industry trends. 4. Research the interviewer, if possible. LinkedIn can provide valuable information about the background and interests of the person conducting the interview. Segment 2. Preparing for common interview questions. Now that you know the company well, it's time to prepare for those common interview questions. Let's go through a few examples. 1. Tell me about yourself. Craft a concise and compelling introduction that highlights your relevant skills, experiences, and career goals. 2. Why are you interested in this role, company? Showcase your enthusiasm for the company, aligning your skills and aspirations with their values and objectives. 3. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Emphasize your strengths, relating them to the job requirements. For weaknesses, mention areas where you've made improvements and how you're working to overcome them. 4. Describe a challenging situation and how you overcame it. Share a specific example demonstrating your problem-solving abilities and resilience. Segment 3. Showcasing your skills and experiences. Apart from answering questions, you must effectively present your skills and experiences to stand out. 1. Craft an impressive resume. Tailor your resume to the job description, highlighting relevant experiences and achievements. 2. Prepare a portfolio, if applicable. Showcase your work, projects, or creative endeavors to demonstrate your skills and capabilities. 3. Practice talking about your experiences. Be prepared to discuss your accomplishments, responsibilities, and learnings from previous roles or internships. Segment 4. Mastering nonverbal communication. Remember, communication is not only about what you say but also how you say it. Let's look at some key aspects of nonverbal communication. 1. Maintain good eye contact. It shows confidence and engagement. 2. Practice positive body language. Sit up straight, maintain an open posture, and use hand gestures naturally. 3. Listen actively. Show interest in the interviewer's questions and respond thoughtfully. 4. Smile and be enthusiastic. A positive attitude goes a long way in making a lasting impression. And there you have it, essential tips to help you nail your first job interview as a fresher. Remember to research the company, prepare for common questions, showcase your skills, and master nonverbal communication. With practice and confidence, you're well on your way to landing that dream job. Best of luck, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.